Hello, everybody. How are you? I am so happy to see you again today. I want to explain what happened yesterday on 30th of June 2025 and for gold. And this is very important for me, and there is a missed opportunity to trade the gold yesterday. I want to say that the main parameters that I follow is very beautiful and confirm that our strategy is beautiful, but the problem is not with the strategy. The problem is with the psychological factors of the trader that played an important role in trading, and the psychological factors or variable play an important role about 80 to 90% of the trading in regard of success or fail. This problem I faced it yesterday, and I should talk about it in order to resolve it in a beautiful way, and I should recognize it and diagnose to be not repeated again in the future trading. As you can see, yesterday the gold is moving down and then moving up yesterday to this area 3,301, and then move in the second day, which is today, to 3,350 and more. What what's happening? What's happening for this gold? Um, as you can see, I will change the before I will change. I should recognize this is the high of the month, this is the high of the months, and this is the low of the weeks also. And the days is very beautiful, and you can see it. This is the swing high, swing point high. This is another swing point high. When I change it to H4, when I change it to H4, you can see that the price of the gold is moving down. When it's moving down, it sweep the low of the week, sweep the low of this week, kiss it like kissing, and then moving up. When it's moving up, it give an pattern that I recognized it, but I didn't trade it because of fear, because of apprehensive, because of exhaustion, so I didn't trade it. This is a psychological factor. I complained from it yesterday. As you can see, that the price moving down in the last week, and in the beginning of the week yesterday, in the Monday, making a volume gap, then sweep the low of this week, and then moving up, and also the sweep of the last week and the week before also. This is the low of the week, of the weeks, sorry. So about 2 weeks make it sweeping. So in this area, what are you seeing? The first thing I saw it. This is the high point of the swing. This is the high point of the swing, as you can see, and this is the low of the swing. This is the low of the swing. So we have an external range liquidity, and this is internal range liquidity. So the price can move it from this area to this area. This is the first. The second thing, the pattern, the pattern that I saw it. The first thing I saw it is the fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. Okay, this is fair value gap is known for H in H4, sorry, in H4 fair value gap, which is very beautiful in daily time frame and in moving of the price. This is the first thing. The second thing I should talk about it is this candle on H4 is um, a breaker block. This area is a breaker block. You can see it. This is a breaker block. Okay, this breaker block, and also this. This movement is order block. This is order block. As you can see, this is a very beautiful collection. All of them coalesce together. Another thing that happened here, and I saw it, and this is called a turtle soup. This is called a turtle soup. This is sweeping from the law, sweeping of the law. Okay, make a rejection. Sorry, sweeping of the law, make a rejection, moving up, and this is also rejected, and then make a change in the state of delivery and change in the market structure with fair value gap. That's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. So this is a turtle soup. This is a turtle soup. The price then touches this order block, and then make a rejection to the down. Make a rejection to the down. When the price make a rejection to the down, the price retest this area again and make a rejection, another rejection from below to the above. That's very important. That's a gift signs that we are preparing for something will happen in the future. This is very beautiful. When I change it to H2, you can see very clearly the what I explain it. The first thing, this is the breaker block. This is the breaker block. This is the breaker block. You can see it on H2. This is a breaker block. Okay, and this is turtle soup. Turtle soup, sweeping over the law, then change in the state of delivery and market structure shift and moving up. This is a turtle soup, this pattern. The price rejected from this order block and making a rejection and then moving down. When moving down, to retest this area again. This is order block, Polish order block. This is a breaker block. This is fair value gap. Okay, this is a rejection. This is a turtle soup. The price rejected again from this area. Rejected again from this area. I saw it in this area and I understand it, and I'm complaining from anxiety to make it. I at that time I didn't believe. Why? I don't know. In reality, I don't know. I didn't believe that's happening now in front of me on H4 and H1 and H2. On H1 you can see how the price move. What is the beautiful things that happen here? This is the change, and this is the breaker block. This is fair value gap. This is change in the state of delivery. This is a market structure shift. Then the price again retest this area. Retest this area. This is also a breaker order block here. It's a beautiful, very, very, very beautiful um, pattern. Very beautiful setting. Very beautiful setup. It is a setup A plus. It is setup A plus. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. I miss it, and I didn't take a prof. At first I make a buy in this area, but I go out rapidly because of an anxiety. I didn't believe. I didn't believe yesterday in reality. So I miss it. I miss it. It's a very beautiful pattern. You can see it. All the features are present. Rejection block is there. Rejection block. Breaker block, there is a breaker block. Order block, there is order block. Sweeping of the PD array, sweeping of the low of the week. External range liquidity to the internal range liquidity. All the features are present. 1, 2, 3, you can see it. I will make a lecture for the 1, 2, 3. You can see this is one. This one pattern. This is two pattern. Okay, this is a three pattern. You can saw it, and the three pattern make violate the two pattern. Three pattern violate the two, and moving up, then retest again the area, and then moving up again. It's beautiful, beautiful. Rejection, turtle breaker block. Timing. What about the timing? I want to show you the timing of the this pattern, how happened, and what are the circumstances during sessions of the uh, of the Asian and Asian and London, and also New York. You can see. This is Tokyo. This is Tokyo, beginning here. Okay, then moving up. Then London. This is yesterday. Yes, this is for yesterday. Tokyo moving up, changing the state of delivery, market structure shift. Then London open, moving down, and then when New York open, the price again moving up. Okay, on 30, on 30 minutes, you can see very beautiful. You can see very beautiful. This is Tokyo, London, and New York. I will remove the indicator. I want to see something that is very beautiful here in this area, and the area of fair value gap. This area of fair value gap, which is on H4. This is an area of fair value gap H4. Okay, we will change it to 15 minutes. Okay, we will change it to 15 minutes. When I saw this area, when the market moving down, then moving up, then moving down, you can see that the first thing happen here is change in the state of delivery in this area. This is a change in the state of delivery. This is change in the state of delivery, but it is small, unnoticed. Okay, that the price on lower time frame make a change in the state of delivery. This is the first. Then the price return to retest this area. When the price return to retest this area, there is also fair value gap here. This is order block. This is order block. You can saw it. You can see it. This is an order block nested here in this area. The price retest again and retest again, rejection, then moving up, then return to retest again, then moving up, then make another change in the state of delivery, then moving down, then moving up, then and moving up more and more. I want to show you on 30 minutes how the rejection happened. How the rejection happened. You can see the rejection from below, also the rejection from above, but from below is very beautiful. That positive, then retest, then positive. On H1 also, we can see that the price, in spite of this candle, doesn't closing up, but it is still in bullish candle, and another candle moving up and then down and then closed above, and another candle moving down and then moving on and closing above. In spite of there is a struggling in this area to for bullish or bearish, but it closes above, closes in bullish state, not in bearish state. This is the important. This is the important to see where is the closure. Where is the closure? This market, even so, it's moving up, but it closes in bullish state, and then another candles moving up and down, struggling, then but close in bullish state. This is also bullish state. This is also bullish state. There is a struggling that happened in this area, but it is in a bullish. When I change to 5 minutes, I want to show you something which is very important in trading. When you saw that there is a change in the state of delivery in 30 and 15 minutes, we look for fair value gap, look for inversion fair value gap. You can see the price moving down and making a fair value gap bearish, and then moving a fair value gap bullish, and closed above and closed, and then retest this area. This is an optimal area for entrance. This is an optimal area for entrance. This is inverted fair value gap with fair value gap, and also retest this area also, sweeping to this area also, and then moving up. When the price moving up, also make a change in the state of delivery. Make a change in the state of delivery. You can saw it. You can saw it very beautiful. This is a change in the state of delivery. and then retest again. Rejection, make a rejection. This is a sharp turn, and this is also a sharp turn. This is an optimal area for entrance. If you didn't get it, you can get it here before moving up. Okay, on 1 minute, on 30, on 3 minutes, you can see also. You can see in this area, sorry, you can see this is a sharp turn, inversion fair value. This is another inversion fair value gap after 3 minutes. You can see this is a fair value gap up, down fair value gap again above, and you can see this also a good area for entry. This is a sharp turn, this is inverted fair value gap, and this is sweeping to the low, and the price moving up. This is a change in the state of delivery also on 3 minutes. Honestly, in addition to this, so there are two areas for entrance. This is the first area, and this is the second area for entrance. Sorry, this is the second area for entrance. It's a beautiful setting, very beautiful setting, but I didn't believe it. You can see the price when moving down here in this area. There is a change in the state of delivery here, change in the state of delivery here, moving and then moving down, retest this area. This is turtle soup. This is a turtle soup for moving up. This a candle is this breaker block, sweeping over the below and then moving up, retest again, then moving up, make a change in the state of delivery. This is a change in the state of delivery. You can saw it. Market structural shift, then moving down again, retest this area which is inverted fair value gap with fair value gap, then moving again, sweeping this area, moving again, make a change in the state of delivery, change in the state of delivery again, then retest it again, fair value, inverted fair value gap, and then moving up, and the price moving upward. So I want to explain that the most important thing is what happened here, and also I want to explain that the price also has this area. You can saw it this area. It is an area of uh, breaker block or turtle saw. This is area of turtle saw. That's what I want to say it, and thank you very much. And you can see how the price moving during the last day, yesterday and today, about more than 6,000 pips in 2 days. Thank you very much. I am very happy to talk with you. Thank you. Bye bye.